Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about, where are we? Uber constantly losing money on a driver. Hell yeah. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do
I
it.
think he was in the chat. Maybe he's still in the chat. I saw him. Daniel Duke. I did it behind the wheel with him. He's, he likes talking, so I had no problem. So somehow, Chris, Daniel is making Uber lose money week after week after week after week. How do you think he's doing it?
Hell yeah. I like it.
How do you think he's doing it? I know how he's doing it. There he is. There he is. Search sniper. Right there. Right there.
Oh,
So Daniel, how you doing this, Daniel? How you making Uber lose money? I know how you're doing it, but you know what? At the end of the show, I know our topic is not that, but maybe you can come on for like 5 minutes and then tell people how you're making Uber lose money. You know what I mean? So from February 24th to March 24th, Uber service fee was negative $1267.90. The number is negative because you made more from fares and promotions than the customer price, excluding tips, which are always 100% yours. There is no cost to you, whatever, blah, 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 blah. So I'm averaging on a weekly basis negative 300 on the Uber platform. Well,
hell
he
yeah.
does it. See, that's how he does it right there. Right there. Oh, no, hold on. Right there. No surge, no profit, no trip. That's how you do it.
There you go.
That's how you do it.
There you go.
That's how you do it. And in Arizona, they have standard versus advantage. Standard mode for the last 3 weeks. Because I don't think he's buying this 5% extra hocus pocus. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
That's the test I want to run too. I want to run standard versus vantage mode. You get a couple of drivers that are sitting right next to each other, run the test and see if it's actually 5% more or if it's some shenanigan number.
Joey boy, you're taking yourself way too seriously, bro. Either you're drunk or you're taking yourself way too seriously. So yeah, I mean, great, okay, if you do a lot of search trips, right? Uber actually does not make as much money on search trips, like high search trips. And I know, look at his name. His name is Search Sniper. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, whatever search he's sniping, I don't know if it's searching in, Phoenix or Arizona or wherever he's driving. I know he's in Arizona. I think it's in Phoenix or Tucson. But long story short, he's finding the surge. When there's surge, Uber doesn't make as much money because they cannot charge, too much to the rider because then they'll go to Lyft. So that's how Uber loses money. But man, that's 300 a week after week. I don't know. I'm shocked it's still
awesome.
on the platform.
You know what? I think Sensei needs to divulge the information to continue this
Yes,
to a wider array of drivers. So then that way you can see that the Uber service fee is negative $1,200 in your account too. And then that way you can be like,
how many people do you think don't even check that, Chris? How many people don't? Because that used to be my badge of honor. Every week I would make sure that Uber's losing money. How many people do they check, right?
I would say it's probably a little bit more than you think.
You think so? All right.
Yeah.
Well, check it, people.
I mean, because I think a lot of people are pissed off at what they're making and they're looking at it and seeing how much is Uber making. So I think they're looking.
If you're complaining about that, then change your style. Change your strategy because there is a way of lowering that take rate. Trust me, people. So, but some of you may say, oh, that's too much work. I'm only driving 10 hours a week. I'm just going to make a couple $100 and go away. I'm like, I get it. But a lot of people complain about, oh, Uber's taking too much money. I'm like, oh, well, this guy, Uber's not taking any money on this guy. None. He's gone negative. So there's a way. There's a way. Anyway.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.